In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first you need to reach your phone dialer, tap on the more icon, then on more icon, and go to the settings. Here you will notice voicemail, so smoothly mark it, pick your SIM card, and now select notifications. And here, if you would like to change the sound for your notification, just click on sound and pick the one that you would like to apply as your voicemail notification sound. Let me choose, for example, Mountain Spring. And then if you will go back, it will be applied. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.